Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video I'm gonna show you solve another problem which is propositions in array. So first of all you need to read the question appropriately. So here you have to take a number first and then you have to take a array, and if the array is less than 10 or is equal to 10 you have to print their index and also their value. And so let's go to see the example which is in the question. First of all, you can see that here 5, and they give us 5 and then the input array which value is 1 to 100 0 and 30. So the output is 1 a 0 is equal to 1 a 1 is equal to 2 and a 3 is equal to 0. Here a 0 means index of the value and 1 is the value of array. So then, so what can we understand here? For we have to create a case logic where we write if a array of I is less than is equal to 10, then we have to write the output statement. So first of all we have to go to the repeat, then we create a new class. So click into the create and then click Java. After that we take a name which is D.Positions in array and press the enter button. Then we have to write import class, we have to write import java.util and then public class. So we already know that we have to take input from user in this case. So we have to, first of all we need a scanner class, so it must be scanner class here. So we have to write scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in. After that we have to take a input. So we write int n is equal to sc dot next int. Then we have to declare the array. So here we take a 1D array or one dimension array. So you already know the process how can we declare 1D array. So then we write int array first bracket, sorry, third bracket, and is equal to new int n, and then semicolon. After that we all and then we have to take a loop which is for loop. So here we take another variable which is I, and its type should be integer, and then the starting point of I is 0 and the ending point of I is n before n. So I write I less than n, and the increment of I is I plus plus. It means I increase by 1. So then here we have to take the array. So then we have to write array of I is equal to sc dot next int. So is line for the loop is for take input, and then we copy the loop again because we have to write this again for output. So then copy those lines and paste here, and we remove the statement where we input array. So here we write a new we write the case which is if array is less than is equal to 10. So now we write if array is less the array of I is less than is equal to 10, then we have to write a statement for output which is system.out.println. So now we write the case and then curly brace, and after that we have to here here is already there already a statement for output, so we copy cut the line and paste here, and in the bracket we have to write, first of all we have to write a because every line we see this the output is a, output printed first a, then if we go to the question again, then we can see first of all its output is a, and then third bracket and the index, and then third bracket and a space is equal to then space, and after all of these things the value of array. So we go to our code, and then we in colon we also write third bracket, starting of third bracket and plus I, because I here the index of value start from 0, and so we write here I, and then in the second column we will write the ending of the third bracket, and here space and is equal to, and again space, and after that we have to print array of I, so we write plus array of I. So after all of these things we go to the question and copy the example and go to our code, run the code and paste here. We paste here, so you can see the same as our example shows that here a0 is equal to 1, a1 is equal to 2, a3 is equal to 0, because 1 is situated in first position which is 0, and 2 is in first position, second position is means 3, and 0 in fourth position which means in 3, index of 3. We copy the code and then we go to the question, and after that we go to submit code and paste the code here and press to the submit button, and you can see the result. So thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.